Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Begin by unlocking your Oppo phone and opening the Settings app to access security options. Tap Security or Fingerprint, depending on your color OS version, to find fingerprint setup controls. Make sure a screen lock like PIN pattern or password is enabled before registering fingerprints. Charge the phone above 20% and clean the sensor area with a soft cloth. Remove any screen protector covering the sensor and prepare 2 alternate fingers for registration. Keep the phone on a stable, flat surface while performing the setup process. Open Settings, then select Fingerprint Management or Biometric Authentication to start registration. Confirm your existing screen lock by entering PIN pattern or password when prompted by the phone. Follow on-screen prompts and place your fingertip on the sensor with gentle, steady pressure. Lift and reposition the finger multiple times until the progress indicator reaches 100%. Register at least 2 fingers, including a dominant and 1 alternate finger, for reliability. Name each fingerprint and enable quick unlock options if you want faster access to your phone. If the sensor fails to read, clean the finger and sensor and retry the registration process. Remove greasy residues or wetness because moisture and dirt reduce fingerprint recognition accuracy significantly. Update Color OS and reboot the phone if persistent errors occur during fingerprint setup steps. Use a secure backup PIN or password and enable Find My Device for remote protection. Avoid registering damaged or very small fingerprints. Register another finger for consistent unlocking performance. Finally, test unlocking with your registered fingers and tweak settings like fingerprint shortcuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.